Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make an Easter Sunday stuffed chicken breast. Let's get started with the ingredients. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Line a sheet pan with foil and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Place the chicken in a pan. Gently peel back skin, being careful not to rip or tear. Wash hands after handling raw chicken. Spread each chicken breast with 1 tablespoon of pesto sauce. Top the pesto with a slice of prosciutto and then a slice of Swiss cheese. Fold skin back and season with salt and pepper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until cooked through. Make your Easter Sunday extra special with this easy to prepare dish. For this recipe and more, visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.